Thank you for joining us for Lesson 2 in our Three Angels for Kids drawing series. This is a lesson on drawing the island of Patmos. Before drawing, you should have watched God's Big Reveal on our YouTube channel. This drawing goes with that little video. Enjoy, have fun, and remember that John the Revelator wrote the book of Revelation on the island of Patmos. We will begin our drawing partway down and about a third of the way from the left side of the paper. Just watch where I start, okay? Right about there on your paper. We're making the island and we're curving downward and we're going to go all the way to the right side of the paper, okay? Does not have to look exactly like mine. We're doing the island now. Now we're doing the bottom of the island, again, kind of curving in and out. And that's because this is a very rocky island. The island of Patmos was very rocky, and we're going to make some rocks here. We're going all the way now to the left side of the paper. We have left space for our prison. Now, I'm going to make a suggestion of a prison to remind myself that John was in prison. Now, of course, it didn't look like this, but that's okay, because as an artist, you're making a suggestion. You're reminding yourself of what happened. So I made a curved line on the top and then straight lines on both sides. Now I'm going to make another structure right beside it. Again, it will have a curved line, a little different kind of a curve, more like a tower, a little thinner than the first building. And then another line straight down. And you don't have to make it like that. If you want to make a cave there and make it a little more realistic of where John actually was, that's fine as well. Okay, and then I'm going to make another structure here, another curved line, and then another straight line going down. And now we will have the basic idea of some kind of a prison where John wrote the book of Revelation, and we have our basic shape of the island. Now, I want to make some things to show that he's out there in the middle of nowhere. So I'm going to make my mountains next. The mountains give the suggestion, again, that this island is kind of in the middle of nowhere because you see the mountains in the distance. So, again, make them however you want. I'm just making a curved line, another curved line behind it, and a third curved line. You can see I like to make things in threes. So now we have to give the suggestion of water. The mountains are in the distance. So now I'm going to make my water, just kind of a line over here. And you see how you get the idea that this was a very isolated island. So just kind of curve your line a little bit like there's some waves. And we're getting the basic structure. Now I'm going to make my rocks. Now these rocks are... You don't want your rocks to look like somebody bought them at Walmart or something. In other words, nature does not crank things out that all look exactly the same in the same shape and the same size. So you want to make your lines kind of curvy. You want to make different shapes, different sizes. Some may look a little squarish. Some may look a little roundish. You might want to go outside and look at some rocks to get the idea. But you see how I'm trying to make mine different sizes, different shapes. This was not a pleasant tropical island with a beach and palm trees. Not at all. John was on a very rocky island out in the middle of the ocean, far from civilization, in horrible circumstances, but he was a follower of Jesus, and he knew that this was what he had to do. He stood up for his faith. So when you get your rocks all finished, you'll be ready. Now I'm taking my prison and I'm making again this suggestion with these windows with bars that are high up. Again, I know that this was not what it looked like where John was, but when I look at it, it helps me remember that the book of Revelation was written in a prison, which was more like a cave, on this island. Now I'm going to make rocks again, because everything was made out of rocks. I want to create the impression of just this old stone prison. So I'm making different shapes for the rocks that made up the prison. And again, this is your choice how you want to make the prison. But I wanted an old rocky prison. Now I'm putting in the water, putting in some blue here, which you can do however you want. Color in your ocean. I'm kind of speeding things up here so you can take your time. I'm putting some little dots in here again, kind of in effect. Coloring in my mountains, dark on one side, light on another. And you can do that however you want. Take your time. And then I'm going to color in my rocks. And I'm speeding this up just to give you the idea. And notice that I don't, for every single rock, I don't color every single part of it. Because again, that gives you some dimension, some shape. It gives the idea that maybe the light is shining there on those rocks. So you'll notice that I don't color every single part of it in, and I'm putting some brown. Again, I like to do different colors. I've never seen a rock that's only one color. If you think a rock is only one color, go out and take a look. And then I'm putting some lines in the water. The line that is closest is thicker, and then a few lines on the mountains. Now I'm darkening some parts of these rocks. Again, I'm trying to give the idea of shape, of 3D, so I'm darkening some parts of the rock here. I hope you're happy with how yours is coming out, and I hope you remember that John was true to God and wrote the book of Revelation out there on the island of Patmos.